Hi there, Gareth of Channel Profits here. It's time for the second update of my YouTube automation channel case study. So as of the time of recording, it's currently the 7th of March 2023, and I started this channel around the 3rd of January. So that puts us just over 60 days into the launch of the new channel. I'll put links in the video description to the first video in case you haven't seen it yet. But to give you a quick recap, the goal was to break into one of the most competitive niches on YouTube for faceless channels, which is the finance and business niche. Now, I'm doing everything myself with just the support of AI tools for script writing, voiceovers, and editing. Given the competitive nature of this niche, I estimated that it would take approximately 50 videos to reach monetization level. Normally, it takes me around 30 to 35 videos. I uploaded one video a day for the first 30 days, and then the plan was to drop down to 3 videos per week, which would have been 12 videos across the month. Now, I can tell you that I fell a little short here due to other work and family commitments, so I only managed to upload 9 videos over the last 30 days. When we last looked, we were at 31 live videos and 33 subscribers at the end of the first month. So the question is, how close are we to the monetization level after 60 days? Well, I can report that growth has been a little bit slower than hoped, but this isn't really due to the competition levels, it's because I broke 2 of my golden rules, which I'll go into more detail later on. So we currently have 40 videos live, and we have around 175 subscribers and just under 300 hours of watch time. This is a 300 to 400% increase, and it's going up day by day. We currently have videos getting thousands of views and around 1,000 views per day coming in for the entire channel, which is great growth. And at this rate, there is still a good chance we'll be monetized at around my 50 video estimate. However, no video has gone viral yet. They just keep going up, but then they start to fall again. This normally means YouTube is still trying to understand the channel and the right audience for your videos. And this is where I made my life a little harder by breaking 2 of my golden rules. The first was not niching down properly. I decided to target 2 niches at the same time, the finance niche and the productivity/motivation niche. I believe the 2 have overlap and will work well together for the theme of the channel. However, this slows down growth as YouTube needs to understand and find 2 audiences for the channel or find the overlapping audience. So although I knew this could happen, it's a good reminder to niche down in the beginning if you want faster growth. You see, YouTube may find an audience for one of my videos, which then starts the process of going viral. But as the video is about productivity, and half the videos on my channel are about business and money, the people who watch the video aren't necessarily going to be interested in that niche, and won't watch the other videos on my channel. This confuses YouTube, who then stops pushing out your video, thinking people don't like your content. So your videos keep trying to go viral in a stop-start way, never really getting traction. But as you upload more videos, YouTube eventually has enough content for both niches to grow, along with more overlap between them. It's a bit like a bilingual child. They will take longer to speak than children who are just learning one language, but when they do speak, they'll be fluent in 2. The second golden rule I broke, this time not intentionally, was the avatar's goal. If you've gone through my training program, then you know I go on about creating an avatar of who your channel serves and the outcome they ultimately want from watching your videos. This is especially important for planning additional revenue streams for your channel. I failed to properly clarify and stick to this in the beginning. Had I sat down and done this properly in the first place, I would have been better able to tie my 2 niches together for faster growth. For example, if I had a channel on building muscle and losing weight, then in YouTube's eyes, you have 2 potential audiences. But not everyone who wants to build muscle wants to lose weight, and vice versa. However, if you frame your videos in terms of bulking and shredding, then you have greater niche overlap. Bodybuilders know they need to bulk up to build mass, but then they need to shred the weight later for better definition. My avatar's ultimate goal in this case would be to build better muscles. So I've tightened up the avatar's goal for the channel moving forward. This month I plan to get as close as I can to the 50 video mark, at which point I think it's time to start outsourcing the work so I can begin building out revenue streams for the channel. As always, if you would like to know exactly how I plan and map out my channels for faster growth and monetization, then check out the links in the video description. Also, make sure to subscribe for the next update at the 90-day mark. If it's already available, then just click the thumbnail link that's on the screen now. Thanks for watching, and until next time.